Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create an account with Obimy app. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. First, you need to open Play Store and search here Obimy and download that application. Once you download that, click on that application. So I'm going to open that application from here and click on Let's Go. And then you need to click on Got It, and here you need to step heartbeat and sizes, got it. And then you need to put your number here, so I'm going to put my number. Then you need to click on next. Okay, so here you can have two option: already have an Obimy account, then you need to click on sign in with Google. Don't have an Obimy account, click on sign up and select your name. So I'm going to name how to solutions and choose your birthday. So I'm going to choose a random one for an example, and your gender he she, and they. Click on ready to roll. So now you can see that my Obimy app account is ready. So by following these steps you can easily create an account with Obimy app. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.